Greetings to you all. In this video, I'm going to teach 9th Standard English Unit 1 Prose Learning the Game written by Sachin Tendulkar. We all know Sachin is a famous cricketer, one of the best cricketer in the cricket world. Right from kids, youngsters and elders, everybody will have a good passion and attraction towards Sachin Tendulkar. This story, Learning the Game, is the words of the living cricket legend Sachin Tendulkar about his hardships, struggles, and challenges that he underwent to become a good cricketer. It has been taken from his autobiography called Play It My Way. Sachin's full name is Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. He was born on 24th April 1973. His father, Ramesh Tendulkar, was a well-known Marathi novelist and his mother, Rajni, worked in the insurance industry. From a very early age, Sachin played tennis ball cricket with his colony friends. He loved watching cricket on television. Sachin's favorite players are Sunil Gavaskar and the West Indian legend Viv Richards. He tried to imitate the mannerisms of them. Sachin's brother Ajit one day took him to Achrekar sir, the cricket coach who gives due importance to the game of cricket. Sachin had never batted in the nets. When he was asked to bat, he was not at all comfortable. He failed to make an impact. So Achrekar informed his brother Ajit to bring him back when he was a little older. But then his brother Ajit explained that he was a little nervous and asked Sir to give him one more opportunity. Thereby, Sachin was asked to bat again, and this time he started to hit the ball well. So Achrekar agreed to let him join in the camp. Initially, Sachin studied in New English School, Mumbai. Later, his father joined him in Shradashram Vidya Mandir, where Ramkant Achrekar was the cricket coach. Sachin went to the summer camp ran by Ramkant Achrekar at Shivaji Park. The camp involved a session every morning and evening. Traveling to Shivaji Park took 40 minutes from his house in Bandra, and he had to catch an early morning bus to make it on time. The practice session was rigorous. It was really tough. The coach made Sachin run 2 full rounds of Shivaji Park with his pads and gloves on. Though Sachin could improve his physical and mental stamina, it would drain out all his energy. This is a pathetic state where Sachin had only one set of cricket clothes. As he had 2 sessions of practice, he had to wash his clothes after each session. At the end of the training, his coach would place a 1 rupee coin on the stumps. The coin would belong to Sachin if he managed to hit every ball thrown at him. This goal of winning the coin helped him to become a good cricketer. Sachin worked hard throughout the day and he could take rest only for 30 minutes. During his 30 minutes break, he would get a vada pav, a popular fast food in Mumbai, with the money his coach offered to him. There was an incident that made the coach to be angry on Sachin. The coach Achrekar wanted Sachin to be a sincere and the best player. But he found that Sachin was not at all serious when he tried to teach him a very important lesson. He found that Sachin playing silly games with his friends. This made him to forget to go to the nets. So Achrekar became angry with Sachin. Achrekar advised Sachin not to waste his time playing silly games with his friends. He told him to focus on accomplishing his goals. Achrekar told him that people all over the world should watch him play. This created a spark within him to accomplish his goals. Achrekar was the main reason for the name and fame of Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar quoted, "I owe myself to him." He said, if Achrekar had not been a good coach, he would not have become an excellent cricketer. Okay, students, this story of Sachin would have inspired each and every one as it reveals the determination, the willpower, and hard work. Thus, all youngsters should learn a lot from this all-rounder. Let us see the awards received by Sachin Tendulkar. In 1994, he received Arjuna Award. In 1997, he received Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. In 1999, he received Padma Shri and Padma Vibhushan Awards. And on 16 November 2013, he received India's highest civilian award called Bharat Ratna Award. Dear students, I hope you all have understood this lesson. Here is a mind map attached to this video that will make you understand the important sequence of this lesson, learning the game. Thank you, students.